Lily girl with a washcloth on your head. Hi, Lily. Can you smile for Mama? Mommy loves you, Lily girl. Here, let's get this washcloth off your head. Woo! There's our cute Lily girl. There she is. What's Big Sissy doing? Oh, Emmy, sit down, please. Thank you. Say hi. Hi. And I for you, Lily. Hi, smiley girl. Okay, we'll say bye-bye for now.